I am Aisa Ali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we adding some important news.
UN and global community must act decisively to provide right to self-determination to the people of Kashmir. Adding news from Jeddah, an event to observe Youme-Istehsal-e-Kashmir was organized by the Consulate General of Pakistan and the Pakistani community in Jeddah to express solidarity with Kashmiris in the face of Indian atrocities and violation of international laws and obligations. On this day, India officially revoked the autonomous status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir (IIOJ&K) and imposed direct central rule. The main event was held in the Consulate General premises. Special messages from the President, the Prime Minister, and the Foreign Minister of Pakistan were read out, stressing the significance of demonstrating unity with the people of Kashmir. Additionally, a documentary illustrating the current condition in IIOJ&K was screened, provide audience participants a comprehensive understanding of the challenges faced by the local residents inside IIOJ&K. Key speakers on the occasion include Consul General of Pakistan Mr. Khalid Majid, Permanent Representative to the OIC Jeddah Mr. Saeed Fawad Sher, Chairman Kashmir Committee Jeddah Mr. Masood Ahmed Puri, and Chairman Jammu and Kashmir Community Overseas Engineer Arif Mughal. The speaker highlighted the genesis of the Kashmir dispute and the ongoing situation in the occupied territory, condemned illegal, immoral, and unilateral actions of 5th August 2019 by India, paid homage and tribute to the resilience of the Kashmiri people, appreciated the positive role by Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as well as the OIC for Kashmir cause, and presented various proposals as future course of action for a peaceful and durable resolution of the Kashmir dispute. A cross-section of the Pakistani and Kashmir community as well as representative of the ethnic media participated in the event in large numbers. It was concluded with a collective prayer for the martyrs of the Kashmir cause, early peaceful resolution of the Kashmir dispute, and peace, progress, and prosperity of Pakistan.
For updates, connect with Saiban News HD.